Verisurf 2025 simplifies SPC reporting through the addition of a new SPC template for Excel reports. When multiple part samples are measured using the same feature names in a Verisurf data file, they can be added to a report and analyzed using the new Excel SPC report template to simplify SPC reporting. When the Excel report file is created, the report displays the selected characteristics for each feature, including nominal values, tolerance limits, maximum deviation, and tolerance condition, as well as measured values for each characteristic. A control tab displays the average value and the upper and lower control limits of each characteristic, along with the measured data. The Measure tab displays the measured values of each feature, along with the average, min, max, range, and standard deviation for the reported characteristics. And a Deviations tab shows the same information for the characteristic deviations. The new SPC report works for features that are measured manually or through the use of an inspection plan in Verisurf Automate. Features appear multiple times in the same report, either individually or in groups. Reports containing a single instance of each feature can be merged and reported to enable SPC analysis while maintaining individual reports. Verisurf's new SPC report template also takes advantage of the power of Excel to enable the display of graphic images, such as control charts in the report. With Verisurf 2025, basic SPC reporting has never been easier,